Alright guys, welcome to this training again, training 2. So everyone knows what is ClickBank and you know how to sign up for ClickBank. If you haven't signed up for ClickBank, go into the previous video and watch the video thoroughly and sign up for ClickBank. It's for free guys, you don't need to pay for nothing, it's all done free. If you're having problems signing up for it, please contact me and I will help you in that regards. Moving on guys, so we need landing page. What is landing page? Landing page is a page where you create. So when you put your affiliate links, you can't just copy and paste somewhere and then send it into Facebook or Instagram or anywhere. You need to have a landing page, because if you don't have a landing page and you put any link into Instagram or Facebook or anywhere, they're gonna ban you. So to make a proper landing page, you need a website. And the best website you can have for very, very cheap, that will be web hosting, will be the Bluehost. All right. In Bluehost, you can create an amazing website. And this is not an expensive tool, guys. As I always mention, guys, you need to have tools. And to make money, you need to have good tools. And guys, this tool is only costing you £2.86. That is bargain, guys. A regular price is £6.50, but with the discounts you will get for £2.86, and I think it's $2.95, I think, something like that. I'm gonna put the link below. Just follow the instructions and we'll move on from there. So first things first guys, we need a name for our website. So this is where we can check a free names or ideas for our website. It's domainwheel.com. I'm gonna put at bottom a link and just click and go into it and just get some ideas for your website. For example, like lifestyle, you can go for like ideas lifestyle.org or lifestyle.blog or lifestyle.info. You know, anything, just get the ideas. I will stick to .com or .net. Let's check something like fitness. Let's have a look for fitness and see what we get. We search, as you can see, like yourlifehealth.com. Yeah, you get the idea. So just go through that, see what you like something like fitnessforlife.blog sounds really good. You can choose anything you want. You can even choose your name. You can choose anything you want. Just get a name, because you need a name for your website. All right, and let's move on to the next stage. So here we are guys, in Bluehost. We need to start this website. As I said, it's only for £2.87. Easy step-by-step setup. You get a free domain. You get a free 24/7 lifetime support. You got WordPress, total design freedom. You can go and check a lot of stuff if you read up on it if you want to. There's a lot of stuff in it. You don't need to go super expensive one. Just go for the cheapest one as possible and you can do a lot of things with it. We will go ahead in the next training and show you how to set up your website. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started now, and then you're gonna come up with this package. As I said again, go for the basic packages possible. You got Plus, you got Choice Plus, and you got Pro. It says recommended is the £5 is recommended, but if you are planning to do unlimited websites, like different niches and you want to target a particular niche, for example, just fitness or just cooking or just anything like a particular niche, then maybe you can go for that choice. But I will stick to the basic as possible, because in the same website, you can put different type of niche as you can. Yeah. So don't get too much confused and just stick to whatever you want. If you are going to choose you can always choose more later on. Okay, so we'll go ahead and choose so you get everything in there. You got a website, you got 50 GB SSD storage, you have custom theme, you have 24/7 customer support, also a free domain for 1 year, a free CDN included, and free SSL certificate. SSL certificate is very important for a website. You don't need to know too much about SSL certificate, but all you need to know is everything is included for you for a price of $287. I'm going to click ahead and go ahead now. Right here, you're going to create a new domain for you. So now you've got your name for your website. So just type in whatever the name you want in here and go next. Check if it's available or not available for you. All right. So guys, I've got my name here, LBA Business. I'm going to go next and see if it's available for me. Yes, the domain name is available. Great. All right, guys, you need to go ahead and put all your details in. And another thing I'm going to talk to you about is your package information. So the package information over here says 36 months, but if you choose for 12 months, is more expensive. Yeah. So if you choose for 3 months, is even cheaper, guys, because you gonna start earning more than £2. £2 is nothing, guys. Yeah. So don't worry about 3 years or 2 years or 1 year. Okay. So these extra packages, you don't really need them. I will take them off. I don't need all that. Code Guard Basic, you don't really need. I will show you later on where you can get the free. In the website you can put plugins, yeah, and I will show you how to put securities and everything to put for your website. All right, so I would untick everything. You don't need all that stuff. So scrolling down, all you need to do is just put your credit card details and go through the process. All right, I'll see you in the next step. All right, guys, once you successfully signed up for Bluehost, you need to create an account. Creating an account is basically creating a password, right? So you'll get your receipt and everything. You can download your receipt if you want here. I'm just gonna go and create an account now. So that's where your domain name is. Just create a password and retype your password and create an account, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, once you've created a password, just create an account. So your account is ready to go, and now you can log in. Put your password in and log in. Once you logged in, guys, it's gonna ask you how much help do you need. You can go ahead and get some help, but I'm going to show you exactly how to get your website running. I'm going to show you what plugins and how to create beautiful landing page. So you don't need to go ahead and get some help. So go ahead and just skip this step. And when it comes to next one, skip this step 2. And when it comes to the next one, skip this step 2, and then just go ahead and just press get started. Let's create a website. It's gonna ask you skip this step 2. Gonna ask you to tell a little more about your site. You can skip this step 2. So here we are, guys. You can choose. You have plenty of free themes. Don't get too complicated with these things. Just choose any theme. Just choose whatever is recommended, because later on we are going to be changing the theme, and choose a beautiful landing page. Once it's done that, it's going to tell you to welcome. It's going to come up some pop-ups to say sure you don't want a domain. It's up to you, guys. If you want to set up a domain privacy, it's up to you. Go ahead and do that. If you don't want, just press I don't want. And I am sure turn off the domain protection. So guys, In this Bluehost, this will be your dashboard. And in your dashboard, you can do a lot of stuff. You don't need to worry about too much at the moment. For your site, you need to go my site and then manage site. And then I'm going to show you exactly how you can go ahead with that. With this marketplace, you don't need to go and buy anything here. I'm going to show you exactly all the plugins and extra plugins you need for free. So don't worry anything about that. And with your email, as I was telling you about your email, you will have a professional email in your domain name. All right. And you got your domains, marketing tools, and advanced. Don't do nothing yet there, guys. I'll show you everything step by step in next stage. Let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, the next thing you need to do, you need to verify your domain. So go into your email address you've put in and just verify your domain. Alright. So guys, we're gonna create a professional email account now. So what you need to do is go into your advanced, go into your email account. As you can see over here, we don't have no email accounts here. So we're gonna go ahead and gonna click on create account. As you can see over here, you can put any name you want. So if, for example, your name, tom@lbabusiness.com. So you have 5 available email accounts you can have. So most of the time you can have admin, or you can have your name or your partner name or anything you want, and you can create a professional email. So I'm going to go ahead and type in admin@lbabusiness.com. You can create a password, and once you're done with that, and just click create. So once you've entered your password, just click create. As you can see over here, it's come up with a new email address which says admin@lbabusiness.com. You can check your emails, you can manage, you can connect devices, you can do a lot of stuff here. In manage, you can change your passwords, you can check your memory, and there's a lot of stuff you don't need to worry about here. Just don't do nothing here. So here you can check your emails, or you got any emails, you can check your emails. Just choose one of each. Change your webmail client. Just choose a round cube and then click on open my inbox. When I log in, just use round cube to check your emails. As you can see over here, this will be an email. You can check your inbox, your draft, your send, your spam, deleted items. Alright guys, so there you have it guys. If you want to create more, you can just go and click create, and you can add up to 5 email accounts in your website. Alright. So once we're done with our email, we're gonna go and log into our website. So go into my sites and then click into login to WordPress. Alright guys, so this is your website. Everything, all the action will be taken in here. Don't worry about it too much. We will show you step by step all the plugins, the service, the tools, everything will be shown to you how to do this. All right. Now we're going to go into dashboard, click into dashboard. All right. Once you click into the dashboard, as you can see, you need to go and verify your Jetpack. All right. So go into your email and verify your Jetpack. All right. So as you can see over here, this will be your site. This is how the site will look like. You can see the website name, lbabusiness.com. All right. So in next stage, we're going to show you how to set up your website. So once you've done with this, just verify everything, set up your website, set up your email, and jump in to next step. Okay? Good luck.